Hey everyone, so today I went thrift shopping at Goodwill today and I'll show you what I got. Alright, the first item, I actually bought the set of them and they're each $2.99. They're these nice large glass bottles with the cork lid. I'll probably use these for incense or when I make my own bath salts. So for my next item, I got this cool apothecary looking jar for only $1.99. The lid works pretty good, so I'm pretty excited to start using this. I'll probably use this as storage or as a mixture of some kind. Alright, my next one, I got this amazing bright blue candle for only $3.99. Hi! And I was looking for a blue candle when we went rummaging, but I didn't see any. My favorite candles for using are pillar candles because you can use them for a long time. And lastly, I got this amazing storage slide in and out wooden box, but I'm gonna probably repaint this because I don't really like the sword and I just don't like the design part about it. I don't know how I'm gonna do covering up the golden part about it, but my sister knows about paints and blending and stuff, so she'll probably help me with that. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and have a good one.